Welcome to my vlog. Today's guys, na may karon naligo me pero I really feel the emotion of our society, which is the environment is a very, very emotional, very tactical and very scientific calculator. I feel so great and emotion in our society. That's all. Thank you and good evening. Dito ala straight. Dito pabandang mo rin. Ay talo magunin mo ay. Why? Kambak sa dito ka. So itong kay kaglugot dyan. Ito kay Bunga, saka sa dito ka. Wala bang. Hindi lang ko guys. Saka ta. Aman. Ang baka daw tayo. Oy, go! Ang baka daw. Ano naman? Hi guys, nangita pa mi kwan guys. Spot there guys, so asa pinakanindot there nga spot, which is the environment was very green and so light diffuse and the emotion was really affected in our society, which is the solar system and the moon reflect to our faces and legs of my friends here, which is you see and wearing her beautiful and nice fitting suit. Are you beautiful?
Yes, I'm beautiful attire lang.
Ito pictorial ay. Oh wow, so nice. I love the environment. Ito pictorial ay. Wait. Di ako dilubot at ang lagi oh. Ano sila dito?
gantay. Nakabuni kayo ba ng ulo bugo?
Kaya kay tao dyan.